Guys, today we're making a challenge. Whoever draws the best wins. We'll first pick the team and put down at the comments who drew the best. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hello. We first will get paper. We're just gonna cut the video. As we said, we will be announcing a new member, which is my brother. If we reach 100 likes, put the member here. The member here, which is this little guy. This member. This is gonna be a new member if you hit 100. Let's go draw.
Sige nga daw.
We're gonna draw.
Sige.
First team is
Sige
considered.
ba, TikTok na kayo. Dance. Paano ba mag-TikTok?
Hindi nga magda-dance, mag-video nga. Why are you using mine? Because we don't have it. First category is conceivable. Pencil. No, pencil. We're gonna cut pencil. No, that's ugly. Wait, we're gonna cut the video. We're gonna get 3, 2, 1, cut. So, not country ball pala. What's our first category? Bunny. That's hard. But okay, let's start. We're gonna cut the video so it's gonna be fast. So we're waiting for him. He's still writing an ugly drawing. We're just gonna cut the video again. Again, announcing we're gonna have a new member. As we said, come here, new member. This will be our new member at 2027. 2027 ka dyan. No, if we get 100 likes. Yeah, 100 likes. He's actually not small. He's just pretending to be small, but he's this big. And he is 8 years old. We are actually triplets, and this guy is definitely not our sibling. Doesn't look like us. So, bye-bye. We're just gonna wait for him cutting the video. Okay, we're done. Write our drawing. This is mine first. First is mine. I don't know if you can see it so low. This is my drawing. And let's see this guy's drawing. This guy's drawing looks weird like a fox. Comment down below. Wait, I'ma just add some details, guys. I'ma just add some details. That's not the real pic, actually. And he's gonna add details too. So we're gonna cut the video again. Okay, so guys, we're done with our drawing. Bro, one of us just left to find one of them. Just don't mind what he's doing. So this is our final drawings. This is mine, as you can see it. And next is this guy's drawing, which looks more like a fox. And my drawing looks more like a cat, guys. Guys, comment down below which one is better. Please. Look, like, comment, share, and subscribe. No. Wait, we're just gonna cut the video.